In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check in on Eventbrite. Whether you're an attendee or an event organizer, understanding how to navigate this platform is essential for a smooth experience. Let's start with what attendees need to know before heading to an event. First, open the Eventbrite app on your device. This could be an iPhone, an iPad, or an Android phone. Make sure you've downloaded the app beforehand. It's available on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Once you've opened the app, tap on the section labeled Tickets. This is where all your purchased tickets are stored. Next, select the event you're planning to attend. This will bring up your ticket details on the screen. Here, you'll find the QR code you'll need for entry. It's essentially your digital key to the event. To make things even easier, consider adding the ticket to your Apple Wallet. This step can save you time at the entrance, especially if there's a line. It keeps your ticket easily accessible with a quick tap. Now that you've got your QR code ready, you're all set for the event. When you arrive, simply show your ticket's QR code to the event staff. They are usually stationed at the entrance. The event organizer will scan your QR code with their Eventbrite Organizer app. This is a swift process, designed to get you in as quickly as possible. Once the scan is successful, you'll be checked in and can enjoy the event. Now, let's switch gears and talk about what to do if you're the event organizer. Open the Eventbrite Organizer app on your device. Like the Attendee app, this is available on multiple platforms and should be installed before your event begins. With the app open, select the event you're managing. This will give you access to all the tools you need for the day. Then, tap on the Check-in button. This is your main tool for managing attendees as they arrive. You have two options here. You can either scan attendees' QR codes or manually search for their names. Scanning is often faster and reduces the likelihood of errors. However, having the manual option is great for handling any unexpected issues. As you scan each QR code or mark attendees manually, they will be checked in. This process not only ensures that your records are accurate, but also helps you keep track of attendance numbers throughout the event. It's crucial for managing capacity and ensuring everyone who paid for a ticket gets in. Remember, a smooth check-in process sets the tone for your event. It's the first impression attendees will have, so it's important to be prepared. Double-check that your devices are charged and that you have a stable internet connection. Small details like these can make a big difference. With that ready, you're fully equipped to handle both roles on Eventbrite. Whether attending or organizing, knowing what to expect helps everything run smoothly. So go ahead, enjoy your event, or manage it with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.